we make drones, and right now they're more of development platforms. So seeing what you can actually make on the drone, whether it's like a weather sensor, a claw machine attachment. Yeah, you can control it with any game controller or no controller at all. You could just point on the map where you want the drone to fly and it'll fly there. And so thinking about it in a way like you've heard of Amazon doing drone deliveries. So thinking about it where you actually own the drone and you send it out to the local Amazon locker or fast food restaurant, retail store. What's that?
I can purchase it.
Yeah, go to iviewrobotics.com, actually our website, or you can actually build it yourself. You can download all the files and whose is this? So yeah, if you guys want to get into the world of building or developing drones, definitely reach out. I'm a signature whore. Everyone just wants me for my signature.
Here you go. Hey, sir.
Hey,
Thank you so much.
you're welcome. Oh,
Yo, I'm almost done.
Appreciate it.
yep.
Oh, I'm getting that one. Thank you.
Yep. No even feigning interest in our work. No one cares about me droning on about drones. Yeah. I try. I'm here all day, folks. Anyone here ever fly a drone? No? All right. You both crash drones?
Yes, I've actually got one stuck in my tree.
Yeah, I know how that is.
Are you allowed to give a demonstration?
We are not doing any demos today. We would have to go outside to do that, and quite frankly, we are still doing some testing with this one where we take it off and it's rotating continuously, and then we connect the controller to it, and then it like loses power. So we're still doing some. Oh, yeah, sorry.
I don't want to steal it.
But yeah, right now we're building and selling these drones as development platforms, predominantly for high schools and colleges, kind of thinking about it in the early days of the personal computer industry. It was really what could you build and get the computer to do, and then over time, applications like games, word processors, spreadsheet software became accessible to the everyday person. And so we're working to make drones for the everyday person. So even just from like a delivery perspective, you own your own drone, you send it out to the local Amazon locker, fast food restaurant, retail store. That same drone, you could have your kids go play laser tag with it outside, have it water your garden, fertilize your yard, and of course use it for you might need to have like a Zeus or one of those robots do that for you. But we are working towards home and office robots as well, but we see a lot more potential in the short to midterm in the aerial robot space.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
I will take some of your.
Yeah, please. Help us bring Develop Air to your school.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
That is such a rad idea.
I appreciate it.
That.
No, yeah, even people in the drone industry are like, wow, you're thinking about it a lot differently than most people.
And they're like,
Yeah.
they're probably like, I wish I thought of that.
It's one thing thinking of it, then realizing it. Yeah, work in progress.
Cool. Sorry. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. You guys going to be drone operators or drone developers when you're older?
You talking about some problem? No, you not.
Yeah, if I have my way, everyone that owns a car or computer today will also own a drone. So, do you guys have anything delivered to your house from Amazon?
Yes.
So what if you had your own drone that you could send up to pick up your own Amazon packages or fast food or, packages from the local store?